Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to set up Pensight. By the way, Pensight is one of the most popular platforms when it comes onto selling digital products or services online. I'll be leaving a link in the description that you can use to sign up. So you're going to click on that link, then you'll be redirected to a page like this. Once on this page, you can enter in your desired username. So let's say for example, I would like my username to be Jason Test. I will type it in right there. Then you're going to tap on Launch Now. After selecting Launch Now, you'll tap on Continue. Then from here, you can create your account. So you have done that, you're going to tap on Continue. And from here, you can upload a profile pic and you can enter in your full name. And then you can also enter in a headline if you want. So for example, I'm just going to put in, for example, Amazon, or you can put in whatever you want right there. I'll just put test, then tap on continue. After doing that, we're going to tap on manual setup, and then you're going to tap on continue once more. After selecting continue, you have two options. You can either use the 7-day free trial period for the Try Pro, which will give you the features to sell digital products, one-on-one sessions, courses, membership, and so much more. Or you could choose to go to their business plan for $99 per month. Now we're going to try the 7-day free trial period. So we're going to tap right there. Then all you'll need to do is simply fill in your information, and once you have filled in your information, we'll be redirected to their dashboard. So I'm going to do that right now, and then we'll continue the tutorial. Once on the Pensight dashboard, you can go over to the left-hand menu option, and from here you could select My Page. After selecting My Page, you can see how your page looks at the moment, and you can start customizing it by tapping on Add Block. You could tap on Add Blocks, and from here you can choose to add products or different sections. So let's say we were to select product. You can see the different product or things that you can offer. So for example, you can offer digital products and one-on-one sessions. And if you were to go to their pro plan, you can also use it to create membership, courses, and so on. So let's say we were to set up digital product. We'll tap on digital product. Then you could enter in the product name, the product type, and you can also upload a cover image. For example, if you are selling an ebook, this is where you would add the ebook cover. After doing that, you could scroll down, and from here you could set the price. So we'll set the price right there. Let's say we were selling it for $10, and I'm just going to be adding in an ebook name. So I'll just type in ebook, and I'm going to type in ebook right here for product type. And I'll tap on click to upload, and I'll just upload a random image for example's sake. So let's say this example. After doing that, I'll tap on confirm. Then we'll scroll down and we can set the price, or you can offer it for free. Then you can choose whether you would like to offer a multiple install. Then from there you can choose whether you like to offer multiple installments or subscriptions. So that would be a recurring payment option. You can select whichever one of these options you want. Then you can also tap on manage payment method, and you will tap on open wallet, and from there you'll be able to set up your Stripe account. After doing that, you'll tap on click to upload, and this is where you'll add the digital product or file that persons will receive once they have completed their purchase. So let's say this link. After doing that, you can scroll down, and this will be the thank you page message. You can edit it if you want, and you can also see the different features that you would get on their pro plan. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on continue in the top right hand corner. Then from there, you can choose start a template if you're on the pro plan. If not, you're going to tap on start building, and you can create your landing page. From here, you can set up your landing page. So at the moment, you can see how it looks. You can add different elements. So for example, you could tap on headline, and you could add in a text right there if you want. You can also go over to the right hand menu option, and from here you could edit the color and so on. Once you're finished, you'll tap on save. After you have tapped on save, you'll tap on continue, and then you can tap on publish, and it will now be live. You can also edit the call to action button. Instead of it being get now, you can change it if you want. and you can choose to hide the price if you want also. Then all you need to do is tap on publish and it will now be live. And you can copy the link and share it, as you can see right there. And that's basically it when it comes onto setting up a site on Pensight. You can also use their chat feature, so you could tap on chat and you can see the Pensight bot feature that you can use. You could also use this platform for marketing, as they offer email marketing and numerous other options, but most of those options you will need to be on their pro plan to get access to it. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.